locomotive breath. Runs the old-time loser, headline to his death. He feels the pistol scraping, steam breaking on his brow. Oh, Charlie stole the handle, and the train won't stop going. Oh, wait, slow down, slow down. You see the children jump up at the station one by one. His woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie stole the handle, and the train won't stop going. No way to slow down. Hey, hey. Howling, catches us as they fall. And the all-time winner has got him by the balls. He picked up Gideon's Bible, open at page 1. God stole the handle, and the train won't stop going. No way to slow down. No way to slow down, baby. The madness of the locomotive breath. Runs the old-time loser, headline Tuesday. He feels the piston scraping, steam breaking on his brow. Oh, Charlie stole the handle, and the train won't stop going. No way to slow down, slow down. No way to slow down, slow down. Oh, Charlie stole the handle, and the train won't stop going. No way to slow down.